In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pending Home Depot order. If you've just placed an order and realize you need to stop it, the good news is that Home Depot may let you cancel it quickly as long as the order has not moved too far along in processing. Timing is important here because the cancel option is usually only available for a short period after the purchase is made. To begin, open your Home Depot account profile and go to the order status section. This is where you can review your recent purchases and check whether an order is still pending, preparing, shipped, or already completed. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue, especially if you've placed multiple orders in the past. Once you're in order status, look through your list of purchases and locate the specific pending order you want to stop. Take a moment to double check that it's the right order by reviewing the item details, date, or current status. This helps avoid canceling the wrong purchase, especially if you recently placed more than one order. After you've found the correct order, look for the cancel order button. If the button appears, that means the order is still within the cancellation window and can likely be stopped immediately. If you do not see this option, the order may already be too far into fulfillment or shipping preparation, which means online cancellation may no longer be available. If the cancel order button is there, click it to begin the cancellation process. You may be prompted to review the request before it is finalized. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation to instantly stop shipment and begin reversing the charges. In many cases, this is the last step and the order will update shortly to reflect the cancellation. After confirming, it's a good idea to watch for an order update or confirmation message so you know the request went through successfully. You may also want to keep an eye on your payment method to verify that the reversal is processed. That's all it takes to cancel a pending Home Depot order when the option is available. The key is to act fast, check the order status carefully, and confirm the cancellation as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.